So we're going to be updating another dresser. We're going to be adding a shelf, kind of like one of the other projects. Taking out some of the drawers, turning it into a shelf. This gives it a little bit of a different storage option, a different look in your room, and just update the paint and the knobs, and it should be a pretty quick project. So now I'm just gonna kind of look for the best way to make a shelf using only scrap wood that I have. Really want to go get a bunch more wood. I have a bunch of wood lying around, so I think I should be able to totally enclose this shelf. There's a lot of framing, and the bottom is pretty soft. So you couldn't actually put anything on it. So I'm going to basically put in all the 5 sides so they're all cover up all the frame of the dresser and has a nice flat surface. So just based off of the wood that I have, I'm going to use the old bottom to do the back, but I needed to cut out the edges a little bit. I think it actually makes the shelf look a little bit better. So anyway, I'm going to put the back in first. Here, someone wanted to help a little bit. And then he saw a piece of wood that looked like a dagger, and so he wanted to make a quick dagger. So we're making a quick dagger. A little bit of a sidetrack. I'm going to put the back in first, and then basically cover up all the edges with this. I'll do the bottom. Then I'll do the top, then I'll do the sides to kind of hold everything together and make it look really flush and clean. We're gonna got the backs in, we got everything in. I was able to get 3 individual pieces, but it's pretty secure in there, so I'm not worried about them buckling or anything like that. So all I need to do is just wood fill the cracks so you have a nice smooth flat surface. And so I'm going to go around and wood fill all the cracks, and then probably have to go back again just to make sure everything's nice and flush and flat, and fill in any holes. Some of the bigger ones might take a couple rounds. Alright, now we finished everything. Painted the knobs, the dresser, got the shelf all taken care of. It looks pretty good. The last people were happy with the last one, so I think we'll find a good home for this one also.